Hey, Tripp Kramer here from trippadvice.com. Let's talk about celebrities for a moment. Okay, why do people like celebrities? Well, there's a lot of reasons, right? They're good looking, they're talented, but most importantly, it's because they're popular. A lot of other people like them. So imagine you were to see a celebrity on the street that you weren't even a fan of, but you know they're a celebrity because you've seen them in things before. You'd still feel a little bit like, whoa, look who it is. Oh my God, it's that person, even if you weren't a fan. Why? Because they have social proof. That means that simply you like them because other people like them. Now let's move this to the dating world for a second. This exists in the dating world when it comes to women being attracted to you. When they know that people like you, then they become more attracted to you, okay? And even more specifically, when they know that women like you, then in their minds it says, whoa, there's something about him that's special, that's interesting, and they become pre-attracted to you. It's crazy, it's amazing, but this is science and this works. You ever walk into a club and you see a guy who's surrounded by a bunch of girls and he's at a table and all the girls are beautiful and he's looking all cool? You're always like, who is that guy? Who is that guy? And automatically you assume that this guy must be cool, amazing, popular. There must be something about him because he's surrounded by so many people. Again, women are looking at this and thinking the same thing. So how do we hack into that? How do you become that person? Well, with a little bit of work and a little bit of strategy, you can use this celebrity psychology, this social proof, to your benefit to attracting more women in your life. Like I said, it's a little bit of work, takes a little bit of time, but it is doable and it's incredible. This is something I've been working on with my coaching clients, okay? When we're doing coaching, what I'm having them do is actually create a social circle to start creating social proof. So how do you do that? Well, here's a great way to do it. What I want you to do is I want you to find some sort of activity that goes on during the week. And here's a really good idea, like a trivia night, okay? Every major city has some sort of bar that's doing a trivia night on a weekday. Find out what that day is, and I want you to start inviting people to it. In fact, I want you to go every single week. So let's pretend it's on a Wednesday. I want you to go there every single Wednesday. Even if no one shows up, you go. Start getting in the habit of going. And then what you do is when you start going out to bars, and hopefully you're doing this, you're going out, you're meeting people, you're doing approaching, get numbers, semi-friend zone them, and just get their numbers and invite them out to this trivia night. I want you to be the center, okay, the epicenter of this ever-expanding social circle that's only going to exist because you are creating it. Simple enough, right? All you do is you get numbers, you go out, you approach people, talk to girls, invite them to this thing, and then, boom, you're the epicenter. Here's the thing. It's a little bit of a numbers game. Not every girl is going to want to come out. Not every girl is going to make it, okay? And even some of your friends, your guy friends, might not make it. Well, here's the thing. This is why you're doing it every single Wednesday, because some people will be able to make it sometimes and other people other times. And then when they show up, you're the person who connected it all. So you're going to be the guy who's this celebrity in this social circle. Everyone's going to be talking about you. Like, why are you here? You know, everyone's going to be talking to each other saying, who do you know? What's going on? And everyone's going to always bring it back to you. And they're going to think, who is this guy? And women are going to be like, who is this guy? Why does everyone like him? What's so special about him? And you're going to get that social proof and that pre-attraction. If you do this for 3 months straight, I guarantee by that 3-month mark, you are going to have a lot of people showing up to this thing because it's going to be an event that people are going to want to come to because they know they're going to be able to socialize and meet cool people. So when you're doing this, send out a group text. Send it to everyone, letting them know, again, like Wednesday, we're doing trivia night, this place, this time. Let them know the details, let them show up, and encourage them to bring their friends. Don't just invite the people who you meet. Tell them to bring their friends so it can be expansive. And then when you're there and having a good time, if anyone's not cool or being a douchebag or whatever, just kick them off the list and don't invite them anymore, right? So you're going to have this nice filtered social circle with only cool people, and you're going to be the one there introducing everyone, talking to everyone, and boom, you're going to be this celebrity and people are going to want to know you. They're going to want to talk to you. Not only is this good for meeting girls, this is good for networking. This is good for you just being connected to a lot of people for something you might need in the future. Who knows? Reciprocity is huge here. you do things for other people, like introduce people, they're going to want to do things for you, and the world goes round and round. Now you might be thinking, well, Tripp, I don't really know how to go out and even get numbers initially and do that whole process to even create this social circle. That's fine. I want you to check out my program called Hooked. I'm going to put a link down in the description. It is getherhooked.com. Go to that site, getherhooked.com. You're going to learn all about this program that teaches you steps A to Z on how to meet and attract women in your town. So you know how to continue conversation, get them attracted to you, get their numbers, and get them wanting you. So then you can get them to come out and meet everyone on this potential trivia night or whatever you decide to do in your town. So go get hooked at getherhooked.com, and I'll see you on the next video.